Today, I worked on a stone design. I'll show you the steps. Start with a prepared nail tip. Light colors are a good start. Matte top coat is helpful but not required. Use a black painting gel if you have it. A thin brush is best. Draw your line naturally. Think of the craggy, crooked cracks that go through natural stones. Don't cure the lines yet. Next, I used a flat round tip brush. Lightly load it with clear UV gel. Blur a little or a lot. You can decide your own look. I wanted a deeper, more aged look, so I softened the edges multiple times. When I was ready, I cured for 60 seconds. I want the next step to build on top of this. Don't cure here if you want your darkest lines to soften a little into this blurred gel. Now, back to your thin liner brush. Paint the final lines. Vary the thickness. Let it be crooked or a little broken. I outline the nail in black. This helps give dimension to the stone. This step is completely optional. I dipped the thin liner brush in alcohol and picked up the tiniest ball of pure white Aurora powder. Add a thin line of ultra-fine glitter, like the sparkle you'd see in a cracked stone. Finish with a sealing layer of top coat. I chose clear and glossy. Matte would be gorgeous too. Thanks for joining me. Let me know if you try it.